So we're hooked on with the nothing of the day. Wow. So you guys can see fish are jumping and they're not very far out. We are at a spot that I've actually never fished before and I'm back on. Apparently no, I'm not. Okay. Gotta leave it there. And that didn't happen. Or get a fish. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if it's actually on or not. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's not very big. So, this is actually the smallest one of the day. This is my third one. That one was big. I don't know how big that one was, but that one was big. That is my third one. Back up, Bert. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful rainbows. That is my third one. My other two, let me pull them out. That's another one. They're really muddy and dirty. And bleeding. That's my first one. And that's Miguel's first one. So we're at 4 fish. I need to get that one unhooked. So
I'm just gonna get
no,
him in the
don't pull him
Eric, stop.
Ow, ow, ow. Wait. That's my hook. Right there.
What?
That's my hook.
Okay. You tell me what?
Someone hooked it. Line broke off and I caught the...
Are you serious?
Yeah, because look.
No, yeah, that's it right there.
My hook's over here.
That is so weird. What are the chances of that happening?
In an intro too. I don't know. But I guess I kind of have to keep this one now. I wasn't going to keep it, but his throat hooked. Y'all got the first one of the day. Wow. Oh wow, that's actually, it looks smaller in the water. That's actually not a bad fish.
I'm not gonna lie.
Huh?
That felt pretty small, I'm not gonna lie.
It didn't find much like, oh, I got one. Do I? Yeah, I got one.
Hey, do you have
Oh, I lost it.
needle pliers?
I don't have needle nose pliers, but I have a de-hooking thing in the bucket.
Eric, can you bring me the de-hooker?
Dude. Okay, so we were over there where the truck is. We were over there. We went all around the lake today. And, here you go, Miguel.
We'll mount it on there later.
This is the first, we'll mount it on there later. Here you go.
What up, though?
Here, I think I got one. Like they're all right here. Like they're jumping here, all this cove. He told me and I was like, oh, I don't know. I don't really like this spot over here. I'll give him credit. So, he deserves to get the first one of the day. There we go. That was pretty cool. Oh wow, Miguel.
What, pretty good?
Yeah, I think it's bigger than yours. Probably.
At least it's got more energy, that's one thing.
Yeah. Even if they're not very big. Wait, we can get 10 today before we limit out. Oh. Wait, move, get back. No, we don't have a net. Wow, Miguel, this one's a lot better. Look at that.
Keep this one.
Yeah, we got some good fish going.
No, this thing's not one to come on a
Okay, so we should have probably brought the third rod, huh?
Probably.
Oh yeah, Eric, I'm sorry. I didn't think we were actually going to catch anything. Okay, we're going to try to unhook these, and then we're going to keep fishing. But that's 2 in a couple seconds. There we go. This one's a better one, I think. Oh, no, it's a little bit smaller. Yeah, at least it looks smaller in the water.
But he's just fighting hard. I think the other one.
The other one fought harder.
Yeah.
This one's already in. It's about the same size.
We'll probably pay this right now.
Actually, it's in my backpack. Oh, wow. It's actually, like I said, it's actually better than I thought it was. Excuse me, sir?
Third one of the day.
Third one of the day. You want to hold that for me, please?
2 to 1.
Oh!
Whoever gets 10 wins.
No, so we get 5 technically wins. Ah, you want to make a challenge?
No.
We don't know how that went last time. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try to unhook it.
You want to grab him?
Then we'll get back.
How are you then?
You need 1 more, 2 more, 5 more.
Oh, there it is.
No, actually, it's not.
What is it? Catch another turtle?
A turtle.
There's turtles in here, dude.
I've never caught a turtle out here. We caught that turtle in the river, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys saw that. I just threw it in. Put it down. It's a through bobber, so that line goes.
Look.
Okay. Oh, wow. You just got hit.
3.
So you're going on your second, correct?
Yeah. They're actually.
Okay.
I don't think it's a fish, man.
Should probably set it a little bit. Throw it right back where it was. That was quick. So the fourth fish, what was that? My third? Fourth fish of the day, my third fish, the smallest one, was caught in the intro. Which was like a few seconds ago because I forgot to make it. And now, this one. I'm not sure if it's moving. It is. Wait, leave it. Leave it. Set the hook. There you go.
Man, I think I lost it.
Oh, what? Wait, let me see how this is set up. What's your problem? You see your hook tip?
Look, man.
Okay. I'm gonna try to do this. Put that like that. Now try it again. And actually, if I'm not mistaken, I could be, but I think there's one on mine. Yep.
There you go.
That's my fourth one.
I'm not pushing him out.
Set your hook, set your hook, set your hook. That was really aggressive.
That literally did nothing.
That's my fourth fish, dude.
Oh, that did something.
1 more to get 5. Guys.
Dude, I'm almost limited out, and you got one. I think I'm gonna wait. You have a 2-rod license, right?
Yeah.
I'm about to stop fishing, but throw them both in so you can catch up. That is really good. That is another good trout. You want to hand over the pliers?
Oh, the pliers are the ones.
Back here.
Let's go with the pliers. Thank you. So, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna help out Miguel.
That one or the one you got first?
Huh?
Like which one's bigger?
Probably my first one's the biggest one so far.
You're bleeding.
Yeah, he got really hooked deep. So, we're gonna unhook this one and figure out what we're gonna. He has one. He has none. I have 4. I can catch 1 more, and then I'm limited out. He can catch 4 more, and then he's limited out. So we got really lucky today. I've never had such a good day like this, where we've got 6 in a couple minutes. Like, what's it been? Maybe 30 minutes?
Not even, dude. I feel like it's been 15 probably.
Yeah, like we haven't been here that long. That's my truck. I was over there earlier, and I didn't catch anything, not a bite. I was over there by the dam where I am a lot of the times. I didn't get even a bite. I was over there. There's people there, so I didn't get my usual spot. So these two walked all the way around. They're out walking. I came over there, and they're like, dude, there's a lot of fish jumping. We should go over there. So we hit the trail, came right down here to the first bench is over there. That's where we were originally going to go. Fish were jumping here. So this is where we stopped. And almost immediately got both hooked up. So I'm going to work on catching my 5th fish. And then I'm going to help Eric out.
I don't need help.
Oh, he doesn't need any help. Okay, let's see how good he can do afterwards.
Like me a bit, Miguel, I just need help.
Oh, Miguel's the one that needs help. Okay, we'll show Miguel how to do
The
it.
first time he needed help taking the hook out.
Oh yeah, dang. Miguel always needs help. Well, don't worry, Eric. We'll be Team Eric. Miguel needs all. Or do you want me to help Miguel? Who needs the help?
I don't know.
Okay, so
We're gonna have a problem with the camera.
either way, I got to work on catching my 5th fish. I need to limit out.
Let me see if I can catch my 5th one.
Something on.
Let me see if I can catch my 5th one if I can.
Stop. You've got something on.
I don't think so. I think that's where the big one was, so I hope
Is
that's...
it moving?
It kind of was.
I mean,
Maybe.
maybe.
Is this my 5th one?
Is it going?
Oh. Should I?
Maybe you should try moving.
Oh.
No?
Nope.
Have you fastened it? Okay.
There we go.
There you go.
My drag's really loose. Oh, it's not even that big. It's a small one to finish off the day. Oh no, it's gonna get tangled. No. Get out of there. Tighten my drag. Get out of there. Oh, actually it's not that. It's better than I thought. Oh, okay, thank you.
Yes.
It's still small, but you know.
Looks like it might from the fish.
Well, we finished out the day with that thing. It's not the big one that I thought it was. There's a really big one jumping over there.
Big ones this year.
Huh?
There's not too many big ones.
Oh no, those first 3 I caught.
I mean, yeah, but...
Damn, I caught
I mean, like, to, like
my
the size they usually release them at.
Oh yeah, that's true.
¿Ya tienes 5?
Yes. So.
I've never decided when we're ready to meet afterwards.
Sweet.
Quickly, so.
Woo!
I am now limited out. So Eric and Miguel, it's your guys' turn to catch fish. Dude, I'm gonna get so bored. I'm gonna be sitting here like blah blah blah.
Like me all this time.
Okay, Eric.
Then,
Eric can't cast though,
Yes,
so I can't just leave. No, you'll get it tangled in so many trees
Manuel, how did I do it in the pond?
because there's no trees. Okay, I'm gonna put on a worm, I'm gonna cast it, and I'll tell you what to do. Do you want guidance, Miguel?
What?
Do you want guidance?
No, I want the fish to bite.
Well, that can come with experience and guidance.
I want a fish to eat the other fish.
Look, man.
I doubt you.
I had all those planned. They knew what time to bite. I came and talked to him earlier.
You paid them all.
I paid him off.
What? There's 2 solutions to this.
Okay.
One is knowing how to fish, and one is casting for this.
I don't know. All my fish came from like right here. Like I could probably walk out there.
No, you can't. Okay?
I said probably.
I'm going to catch it eventually.
Okay. So I'll tell you when, Eric. It is now.
You pay those fish off too?
Yes. Not yours though. I didn't have enough money. I am limited out.
1, 2, 1.
Look, man.
There you go. Doing it like the experts. There you go. Oh, okay. Wait. Calm down. Like an expert. Wait for it. Yeah, go for it, Eric.
1, you already. Told you.
He's at 2.
Look.
How do you feel?
What do I feel? I think I felt...
Okay. There you go. All by yourself. Okay, don't give those pulls in the middle of it.
Pull it out again like you did.
No, do not do that again. I'll help you.
No, I
Give
got
it a good yank.
a big one.
Okay, let me help you out.
Giant.
Okay, or don't let me help you out. That's how you break the line. Good job. You lost it? No, go, reel it in.
No, I'm gonna let it bite.
Reel it in. It's already on.
No, I'm gonna let it bite. Okay.
You're gonna get it tangled up in the tree if you don't pull it out. Okay.
Come in.
Okay, wait. Don't pull it up like that, because that's how you broke. That's a nice one.
That's got the rainbow to it.
3, 2, 1.
Stop. That's a beautiful fish. That's actually a really nice fish. Ow. Okay, stop.
It is in the water.
Third one already?
Yeah, he's on his third one.
Dude, I swear. They just don't like me.
Wait, I need him to stop moving.
We're using the exact same thing.
Look at that. Yeah, go for it.
Eric's gotta take all the slack out of one first.
Yeah, I know.
43, 42.
Turn them backwards so you land the fish, or?
There we go. There we go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Look at that form.
Almost like he knows what he's doing.
Almost. Oh, pull it this way. Pull it this way. You're going to get stuck in the tree. In the tree, Eric. It's in the tree. There you go. Get it out of there. Get it out. And you lost it.
Efficiently.
How do you feel?
What do you mean? It's just a small one. Remember all that.
That's fine, Eric. Hey. Happens to the best of us.
No. Get a video of the otter. Man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, now you get a video.
Once it's down. So, Miguel's finally on his second fish.
Don't worry,
Finally.
guys. We'll catch up eventually. You wanna...
Oh, there we go. It's a nice trout. Sweet. 2, 3,
This one's actually pretty
5.
good.
Miguel might have his third one on.
Maybe. That's what we're hoping.
Yep. There we go.
I have 3
Yeah,
fish.
I saw it on. I saw it
I
on.
have
Look, I
3
don't want to
fish.
lose it, so don't jinx.
Yeah, you have 3 fish. Miguel might have 3 fish.
Well, get ready.
Whoa.
Get ready, cause...
Stop.
No.
What? Stop. Or, do it however you want.
Look, I didn't yank him, okay? I gently dragged him onto land.
Well, Miguel now officially has 3. Miguel and Eric are now tied.